Part 8. Scratch Coat. The function of lath when installing manufactured stone veneer is to transfer load through to framing. The purpose of the scratch coat is to make a connection to the lath. Use a quality Type S or qualifying stucco scratch coat product and mix properly. Once mixed, mortar can be applied by trowel or sprayer, striving to achieve a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch scratch coat layer. Scratch coat thinner than 1/2 inch will not provide a suitable installation base and may result in cracking. Scratch coat mortar must be applied with sufficient force to encapsulate the lath completely. Scratch coat thickness can be gauged and controlled by carrying your trowel across casing beads and other screeds. Make sure to cover all lath at your target thickness. Thin spots will show lath texture. When the mortar is nearly cured, texture the surface with a scarifying stucco comb or notched trowel in a horizontal direction. This provides an opportunity for both chemical and mechanical connection. Now take a moment to consider what texture will be installed over this scratch coat. Thin brick or uniform modern textures with flat surfaces may transfer any irregularities to the surface. Sometimes a second scratch coat must be applied to further level the surface. For this reason, the cement board application has become popular. This board product replaces lath and scratch coat and provides a flat surface that works well for these textures. After any type of installation, allow 24 to 48 hours for scratch coat to cure. This allows shrinkage cracking to occur, which will be filled by the setting bed mortar. Note: moist curing the scratch coat by frequent hose misting during the curing process increases the strength. Thank you for watching. Please view the other videos in this series for additional installation techniques and tips.